Soaking your feet in an Epsom salt solution is one of the oldest and most common remedies. Even something as basic and ubiquitous as Epsom salts can be improved on. My name is Dr. Andrew Schneider, and I'm a podiatrist in Houston, Texas. There are soaks that will complement other treatments for athlete's foot and toenail fungus. They'll even help your overall foot health. In today's video, I'm going to discuss a new product that will take the place of Epsom salts. Before I do, let others know about these videos. Please like, comment, hit the subscribe button, and share on social media. This will help others find this information. For the last few years, I've been recommending Tolcylen products. We carry all three of their original products in our office. There's a nail solution to treat fungal toenails. There's an antifungal cream that's used to treat athlete's foot. And there's an antifungal spray that's used to treat your shoes to ensure they don't harbor fungus themselves. This way you don't reinfect yourself when you put your feet in your shoes. Tolcylen has come out with two new products which we'll be offering in our office. Both are foot soaks that are designed to rapidly exfoliate, cleanse, moisturize, and rejuvenate your feet without drying out the skin or nails. First, there's the Tolcylen Therapeutic foot soak. Think of this as the short-term soak to get your feet looking and feeling better. It is a combination of concentrated exfoliators, moisturizers, and cleansers. The soak itself dissolves quickly in water. The therapeutic foot soak is perfect for people with eczema, athlete's foot, toenail fungus, ingrown toenails, and calluses. It's also great if you have itching or flaking between your toes. This soak exfoliates and keeps the skin and nails clear of microscopic dirt, oil, and debris that carry bacteria and fungus. I recommend the therapeutic foot soak for acute treatments of athlete's foot, abscesses, and eruptions. And we could even use it after an ingrown toenail procedure. Then there's the Tolcylen Daily Micro Cleansing Foot Soak. This is a soak you're going to use long term. It is a combination of moisturizers, cleansers, and conditioners in a soothing crystalline salt base. You'll feel like you just went to the spa. Using this daily foot soak regularly will benefit people with mild skin and nail conditions and is great to use after you've completed the course of the therapeutic foot soak. This soak will keep your feet feeling clean, soft, rejuvenated, looking and feeling healthy. Both of these products are available at our office, and we'll be happy to share more information with you and answer any questions you have. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Please take a moment to like, comment, and share on social media. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss another video. If you're dealing with dry skin, dermatitis, athlete's foot, or toenail fungus, come into the office for an evaluation. I'm confident that the Tolcylen family of products will help you feel better fast. That link is in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.